Bobby here, co-founder of Equals. Now it's time to learn the single most versatile formula in spreadsheet analyses, the SUMIFS. The SUMIFS formula allows you to add up values based on one or multiple conditions. For example, if you wanted to find total revenue but only for a specific country, or find total revenue for a specific country and a given date range, the SUMIFS formula makes this easy. Let's try it now. Suppose you want to calculate revenue for the US in January 2021. First, reference the entire sum range, in this case column C of our datasheet where all our revenue data lives. Now we'll add our first criteria, the country. To do that, we'll highlight column B where we list our countries. Then we'll specify our criteria value, in this case US, which is listed in the header of our summary table. Now let's add another condition, the month. Again, we'll specify our criteria range. In this case, it's column F of our datasheet, where we've extracted our months from the date field in column A. And we'll specify our month by extracting it from cell B2 of our summary table using the month formula. Why extract our months? Because dates can come in many formats. If the dates in your datasheet don't exactly match the dates you're using in your summary table, the formulas won't work. So to avoid this and ensure our dates match up, we extract our month from both our datasheet and our summary table. Now, in the same way, let's specify our last criteria, the year. First, I'll highlight our criteria range, which is column G, where all our years are listed. And then to specify our criteria, I'll extract the year from cell B2 of our summary table. There we go. We've got total revenue for the US in January 2021, which is about 3.8 thousand. Now, one last tip. Let's say we want to find total opportunity ARR for every country and every month. We could just copy our formula across our table to update our SUMIF criteria based on the headers in our summary table. But notice this, every time we copy our formula, the cells and columns it is referencing also move. Now we've referenced the wrong columns for our criteria range and the wrong cell C2 instead of B2 for our country. To avoid this, here's a simple tip. Lock your cell references by hitting F4. This adds a $ in front of the row and column we're referencing to signify that it is locked in place. By doing this, we're telling our spreadsheet to keep referencing the correct columns and rows for our sum range, our criteria ranges, and our criteria. Now we're ready to copy our formula across our table. And there we go, an aggregation table that sums our ARR for every country and month. And all we had to do was write a single SUMIF formula. That's one of the most simple and powerful tools you can use to build a summary analysis. Happy building.